If your iPad isn't charging, which can be frustrating, so here's how to troubleshoot this issue. First, you need to try a forced restart. It might just be a minor glitch, so quickly press the volume up button and then press the volume down button and then hold the power button on the side. Keep holding the power button even after the screen goes black. Only release the power button when the Apple logo appears, and if it restarts, great. If not, move on to the another step. Next, inspect the charging port. Debris, fluff, or other particles can get stuck in the port, preventing a good connection. If you see anything inside, try blowing it out or gently clean it with a soft brush. Be careful not to damage the port. If you remove any debris, plug it in to see if it charges. If it still does not charge, try using a different charging cable. The cable itself might be faulty, so try a different source. Use a different wall adapter or plug it into your computer. Test to see if that solves the problem, as the issue might be with the original cable or power source. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.